Hi there, this is Ankit back again with another video. So first of all, welcome all of you in my channel KNF Technology. So without wasting our time, let us start our today's session. So from this video onwards, we will work on fetching of ticket that we had booked ticket in the last videos. So let's continue. First let me open my project folder, which is inside a XAMPP folder. So coming to the local disk C, inside XAMPP folder there is a htdocs folder, in which there is a folder called bus book tutorial, in which we will work on fetching the bus ticket details. So we need to work on separate file, so we need to create a separate file for this. So text document, name it to print ticket.php. Okay, now open this with the Sublime Text Editor. Search for Sublime Text Editor. This is it. Okay, I think there is some error in creating a file. Okay. Do one thing, open Sublime Text Editor inside sheets available.php, and here we will create a new file and save it by giving the name as printticket.php. Now save it inside htdoc bus book tutorial. Okay, now let's start some doing interesting script of PHP. Include configuration.php. This is a file in which all the information related to database is available, so we need to add that file as well, to add that information in our current working file, so that we can communicate our project with our database using configuration.php file. So close this. Now type HTML, and inside head section, outside data section, copy the line of code of CDN related to the Bootstrap and jQuery. So for this, come to top of the sheets available.php file and copy this whole line of code from line number 56 to line number 67. Okay, copy this whole line of code and put it inside printticket.php file, some line number 13. So we have just did it. Now okay, now come inside body section. Now we will work on the navigation bar for the print ticket page. So there will be opening of nav tag followed by class attribute having the value nav bar span small bg danger. Okay, inside which we will have div tag with the class attribute container. There will be another div tag with the class attribute navbar brand, inside which we will have button tag with the type attribute, and the value will be button, and there will be another attribute class with the value navbar tugler. Okay, and another attribute data toggle with the value collapse. Okay, and on another attribute data target, sorry, it should be inside the angular bracket. So data target, and the value will be hashtag print ticket navbar. Okay, now close this angular bracket which is of button tag. Now open a span tag with the class attribute having the value navbar toggle icon. And close this span tag as well in the same line in which we have opened the span tag, that is line number 31. Now close this button tag also. Okay, it is already closed on line number 34. Now after button tag we will have image tag with img tag with the attribute src having the value images / bus.png. Here you can see image is the name of folder in which bus.png file is present, which is followed by the backslash that denotes the directory, which should be enclosed inside a double inverted comma as we have did in code. So after that there will be class attribute with the value print ticket navbar image. Okay, now close the div tag. For the opening of div tag on line number 28. Now, okay, after this closing of div tag we will have another opening of div tag with the class attribute collapse navbar collapse. And here id will be whatever the value we have given inside the data target attribute of button tag. Okay, and that is print ticket navbar. Print ticket navbar. Okay, now inside this div tag we will have ul tag with the class attribute navbar nav. And li class would be, sorry, it would be li class, not link tag, not link tag. So okay, li tag with the class attribute with the value nav item. Inside we will have anchor tag, sorry, okay man, anchor tag with the href attribute with the value bus ticket dot php. Okay, bus ticket.php, and there will be another attribute class with the value navlink, text light and font weight bold. So here we go. Close this anchor tag and provide a content bus ticket, and close this anchor tag as well, and after that close this li tag for the opening tag of the opening li tag available on line number 39. Now copy this line of code from 39 to 41 and paste it just below after it. And change this href attribute value, that would be bus hire.php. Okay. No, actually in our project we are not including the functionality of bus hire, so no need to write this li tag. Okay, delete it. No need to require write this anchor tag. Actually whole li tag here. Later on we will think about it whether to add this functionality or not, but right now this is not required. Okay, now close this UL tag and again open another UL tag with the class attribute having the value navbar, nav and ml auto. Inside this UL tag we will have li tag as same as we have in our previous UL tag. Li tag with the class attribute, and the class will be nav item drop down. Anchor tag will be bus ticket.php, and the class attribute will be navlink okay, navlink, and add some another attribute value inside a class attribute as text light and font weight bold to make the text of anchor tag good in visibility. So we have done it. Now there will be another attribute called data toggle, and the value will be drop down, and the content will be manage booking. So this is it. And now inside this anchor, after this anchor tag, inside li tag, okay man, actually I didn't close my li tag. We will have type tag with the class attribute having the value drop down menu. Okay, and inside which we will have another anchor tag with href attribute bus ticket.php. You can leave blank as per your convenience, and the class attribute will be drop down item. The content will be bus ticket. Close this anchor tag, and again copy this line of code from here and paste just below it, and this the value of here, the value of href attribute will be cancellation.php. and type here cancel. and copy it another time, and here the content of href attribute will be print ticket.php, print ticket.php, and change the content will be as a print ticket. So this is completed. Now close the div anchor tag and div tag as well, and li tag. Okay, now save this and see the changes. Okay, actually time is already up to the mark, so we can't continue this video onward, so we will continue the rest of our task in the next video. So stay tuned with us. Thank you. See you in the next video.